Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to understand IRS Form 8879 and what it's actually used for. So before we go into the steps, let's quickly talk about what this form is. So Form 8879 is called the IRS e-file Signature Authorization Form. This is the form that allows you to electronically sign your tax return without having to physically mail anything. It basically gives permission for your tax preparer to file your return online using your PIN. So this is helpful because it makes the filing process faster and easier. Instead of printing, signing, and mailing your return, everything can be done digitally. Now let's go through the form step by step so that you can understand what you're looking at. At the top of the section, you'll see spaces for your basic information. This includes your name, your social security number, and if you're filing jointly, your spouse's name and social security number as well. Make sure everything here matches your tax return exactly. Next, you'll move to part 1, which is the tax return information section. So in here, you'll enter details from your tax return like your adjusted gross income, total tax, total tax, federal income tax withheld, and your refund or amount you owe. So these numbers should come directly from your completed tax return, so you're not guessing anything here. After that, go down to part 2. This is the most important part because this is where you authorize the electronic filing. You'll see options related to using a PIN. You'll enter a 5-digit PIN that will act as your electronic signature. Then you'll sign and date the form to confirm everything is correct. And if you're filing jointly, your spouse will also need to enter your PIN and sign in their section. And lastly, part 3 is usually completed by your tax preparer. This includes their information and confirmation that they are authorized to file your return. And that's basically it. This form is not sent to the IRS by you directly. Instead, your tax preparer keeps it on file as proof that you approve the e-file. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.